Every 33 seconds, someone dies from heart disease in the United States. Today, let's understand coronary artery disease. Coronary arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood to your heart. When they become narrow, your heart can't get enough oxygen. Over time, cholesterol sticks to artery walls, forming plaque that slowly narrows the blood vessel and reduces blood flow. Here we see the beginning of plaque buildup. As it grows, blood cells struggle to flow through, leading to a heart attack. A healthy artery delivers oxygen easily. A blocked artery restricts blood flow, forcing your heart to work much harder. A healthy artery delivers oxygen easily. A blocked artery restricts blood flow, forcing your heart to work much harder. When plaque builds up in an artery, it can suddenly rupture. A blood clot forms quickly, blocking blood flow and causing a heart attack. When blood flow stops completely, part of the heart muscle begins to die. This is called a heart attack. Chest pressure, pain spreading to the arm or jaw, and sudden shortness of breath are common warning signs. Call 911 immediately. Fast treatment can restore blood flow, reduce heart damage, and improve the chance of survival. One of the first tests is an ECG. It records your heart's electrical activity and helps detect possible heart damage. A troponin blood test checks for proteins released when heart muscle is damaged, helping doctors confirm a heart attack. To locate the blockage, doctors perform a coronary angiogram the coronary arteries, allowing X-ray imaging to reveal exactly where blood flow is reduced.
During angioplasty, a tiny balloon opens the blocked artery. In many cases, a small metal stent is placed to help keep the artery open and restore healthy blood flow to the heart. Once blood flow is restored, the heart muscle can receive the oxygen it needs again. Acting quickly during a blocked artery can help reduce permanent heart damage. Recovery doesn't end after treatment. Healthy lifestyle changes and taking prescribed medications. Preventive care is the foundation of a healthy heart. By making simple lifestyle changes, we can stop heart disease before it even starts. Heart disease is serious, but with early action and healthy choices, you can protect your heart. Your heart is with you every moment of your life. Learn the warning signs, make healthy choices, and never ignore symptoms. Knowledge can save lives. Thank you for watching. Remember, this documentary is for educational purposes only. Follow MedWise for more trusted medical education. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and take care of your heart, because every heartbeat tells your story.